YouTube, what it do? It's your boy Pablo Savage 392 minutes. I'm back with another one, gang. Hey man, I told y'all I had to go. I have been having wheel problems, not tire problems, wheel problems. My wheel had, I don't know how I cracked that bit, but I definitely got a little sliver in it, and it got a so it's just leaking air every morning for the last 2 weeks almost. I've been putting air in it. Took my time ordering the tire or the replacement wheel. So I just picked up the replacement wheel. That bit is gloss. I have a Daytona Charger. You know, they got a Daytona package on it. They got their own special kind of wheels, and they kind of like a flat gloss. It's not a matte, but it's a flat, if that makes sense. It gets shiny when it's clean, but it's got a dullness to it. Man, I done ordered the wrong damn wheel. The whole wheel glossy. I'm gonna show y'all the wheel, man, but the whole wheel glossy, bruh. So I was like, maybe if a little bit of brake dust and dust and grime get on it, maybe it'll darken up a little bit or go a little bit flatter. We'll never know. But I'm not sending it back. I'm sorry, it's just not going back. I'm finna get this thing mounted up, and I'm gonna call it a day. You know what I'm saying? I just have one extra shiny ass wheel. That's literally what's finna happen. I'm just have one extra shiny ass wheel. But it's all good. I just need to get this fixed. But y'all want a quick pull? Oh, that's first gear. Run it. Y'all. Ooh. I love when she talk to me like that. Talk to me dirty. So yeah, now I'm looking for a tire shop to go ahead and throw this thing on there. Hopefully I'll try to tax the nigga just to put a wheel on, man. You know how niggas be. But they do gotta take the sensor off. They gotta take off add a stem. That ain't much. Well, $10, $20 piece, $20, $25 piece. If it's more than that, y'all robbing niggas. That's no cap though. They definitely trying to rob a nigga. But gotta get it done. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hit y'all up when we get there. I'm gonna show y'all the wheel and see what they talk about. Y'all, peace. There go that red car. He finna get over. Ooh, 2P. Ooh, they almost did it. They almost did it. Gotta be careful. Niggas be lane changing with no turn signal, and then be sitting right in your lap for real. That's why I don't like other drivers. It's bad to say it, but I don't like other drivers, bro. I feel like all y'all suck. All y'all suck. Wreck y'all, they don't even care. Turn signal off. Go that way. Uh-oh. What we got here? Ooh. Way too shiesty. Big bump coming. Hold on. Hold tight. That go 12. That go 12. No. Slow it down. He hopped on the house. He hopped on just in time because I was finna get real active. But the red car don't care. He's still rolling. I can't mess with it. You know what I'm saying? I just cleaned my license up. You know what I'm saying? Hey, I ain't saying much, but I'm saying something, you know what I'm saying? Bit Daytona, I see you. Oh, look at him. Yeah. They be talking about no testing and driving, bro. The cops be on their laptops like a bitch. Baby, you crazy. I never put my car in front of the police. But he ain't doing that but watching that damn laptop for the most part. Look at this nigga. Oh my God. Press this bitch ass nigga. What be wrong with them? I can't figure it out what be wrong with them, bruh. Like, and then it's like they know you finna do something, so they gonna try to beat you to it, bruh. Like, you see me coming, stay in your lane, bruh. Damn. Alright, gang, we just pulled up to the tire shop, about to get this thing mounted. What's up, brother? This the wheel. Man, see, that bit is gloss. For that one up there in the front. Yeah, and then put the sensor there. Yeah. And the tire back there. Yeah. Let me see if I have time for it. I have to be out before 4:50. Oh, it ain't gonna be no time then. It's already 4:15. Yeah. Okay. Well, can I get? Can you check the pressure in there? Yeah. All right, gang. So I found somebody to do it. So, say a quick little 50 piece. I swing that. I ain't got time to be looking for other tire shops. I usually go to Alex, but if I go to Alex, that mean I gotta. If I go to my normal guy, I mean I gotta drive over there, and deal with him. Then have to come all the way back home because I gotta use the restroom on some real shit. But this is what it looked like. Like I told you, I only bought one because it was only one messed up. I don't know how. Like, that bit glossy as fuck. That bit is too glossy. Just gotta work, bro. I'm trying to see it. You might not even, well, because the car dirty, you might not be able to tell. So, but yeah, swap that bit on that. I'm gonna see if I can show y'all the crack that's inside the wheel. I think I showed it to y'all in the last video I did it on, but we'll see. Then I need to order the lowering kit. That bit's $700 though, so I ain't really in no rush for that. But you see road rash, bro, I don't know how that be happening. Ugly too, bro. It's all silvery and shit. I'm gonna spray paint that bit again like I did the last time. It's about time to smoke these out too, gang. So y'all already know what's coming. I don't never do it, but I'm gonna make sure I do it this time before I change them. That's that old joint, right? So look, right there. My bad. Ain't gonna hair. But y'all see? Right there. That junk ugly. We tried to repair it, but it ain't work. And you can see right through that bit. So it just leak the whole time, bruh. So let's get changing it out now, bruh. It's time. That old thing. I would say anybody want a Daytona will let me know, but it ain't worth shit. Probably just throw that bitch in the trash can while you playing the dumpster. Big Brembo. Can't leave home without them. Big Brembo. I did a cleaning business. Okay, so I'm gonna give y'all the rundown real quick. Your boy will not be making it to SRT Bree Car Show. Cause man, listen, your boy got a warrant in Georgia. It's been up there for a minute. I don't even go to Georgia because of this warrant. But I thought I was gonna be able to get it fixed and taken care of last week before the hurricane came. Well, before I knew the hurricane was coming, I had a class scheduled. I was supposed to take the class and I'd have been done with everything, cleared everything, and I'd have been good to go. But because of the hurricane, they canceled the class and had to reschedule it. They rescheduled it for Friday and Saturday of this week, which is the time of the show. So I will not be there because I didn't take this class. Now it sucks. It really does suck that I gotta do this, but in the end, it's gonna be more beneficial because once I clear this off my name, I can go into the state of Georgia. And when that happens, I'm gonna go up there. I'm gonna be in Atlanta a lot. I already know I'm being in Atlanta a lot. My boy Reek up there, Bree up there, that boy Camel Cat up there. I wanna get into that Atlanta circle of YouTubers. Hold it down for Florida. Keep it still trill for Jacksonville, Florida. But network, man, because them boys is working, and I like the way they're working. And I don't have those type of YouTubers here with me. I'm probably one of the biggest in the city, or one of the most consistent in the city. I say that. I'm one of the most consistent in the city. So with that, you gotta have work, and you can have people that's willing to work with you. And we don't have that here, so that's happening. But other than that, man, if you made this far into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification so you get all these drops when these drops come. Big Daytona right there looking good, like how she be looking good. Y'all know that. Y'all can't tell, man, look. I need y'all to comment in the chat, bro. Comment in the chat. Tell me Big Daytona ain't pressure. Bro, tell me she ain't pressure, bro. If you say she ain't pressure, I ain't gonna agree with you, but I'm telling you, my baby clean, bitch. My baby, and then when she washes up, it's even better. You know what I'm saying? So we be out here with it. Finna darken up that tent, probably go 5% on that. You know? Ooh, I can't wait. I can't wait. Just need a little brake dust on it, that's all.
What's your YouTube channel?
Pablo 392.
Like what kind of content do you have on there?
Oh, it's so shiny, bro. That bitch shiny as fuck. But we back in action, no more slow leak, we good. He said the tire had a nail in it. That tire probably had a nail in it. I think this tire got a nail in it. And that one over there, which is cool. Cause like I said, I'm finna burn these out, put some more on there, and then that's it. I'm gonna end up moving that to the back. It just throw a whole look off. Not really, but it's crazy. Brand spanking new. Alright, gang. That's gonna be the end of the video, man. Thank you for checking out the video. If you made it this far into the video, make sure you like, comment, subscribe, hit that bell notification. I appreciate y'all, man. Shout out to all my new subs, man. Appreciate y'all for y'all support. Thank y'all coming in, checking me out, rocking out with the gang. Big Savage Gang, big Liddy, you know what I'm saying? And as I continually say at the end of my videos, man, make sure you stay sideways to the next, and I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one. You.